bitch, no on the way. 2020 gon' pull up an ad, yeah. Bitch, I'm the way if you can go home. Uber everywhere, yeah. Take my bitch everywhere. We be getting money everywhere, yeah. They don't even know. They be throwing shade everywhere.
Black girl magic. Black girl magic, whoa. Black girl magic, whoa.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So Zafro back with another video, and today we're going to be doing this ponytail. So basically I filmed doing the ponytail, but the only thing I haven't filmed is separating the ponytail, but I'm pretty sure that's straightforward. But if you do want to see how you separate the hair, check out Haul's video, because that's how I learned and did this ponytail. Yeah, so if you want to know how I got this ponytail, stay tuned. Yeah, like it's just a very cute, like you feel like you're the baby, you know, like a baby, you know. I took some pictures to commemorate this ponytail because I was like shook. I was like, damn, is that me? Is that you? Is that you? Is that you? Do you see yourself? Oh! There will be a video on how I slick back my hair, how I did the banding to get my hair like this prepared for the ponytail, video on the edges, and when I film, I'm gonna do a ponytail for my mum, so I will film the whole ponytail thing again in its full glory. Yeah, if you want to know how I got this look, stay tuned and join the Fro family because it's lit over here. Like, where you been at? Like, where are you guys? Where are you guys? Because you need to join the fam. You actually need to join the fam because it's the same lit vibe, the same good vibe every single time. And if you don't want to be part of that vibe, then okay, but I don't see why not. So let's get into it. Okay, so I had been talking and the camera was off the entire time. I already started the ponytail, but I'll show you guys what I was doing. So I've got ombre hair and I've got black hair. So this is the ombre hair. So I've already taken it out of its packaging, but I'll show you guys the packaging. It's basically this. And I've got 1B hair, color 1B, so that's just black hair, and I'm basically just mixing the two. So right now I've got ombre hair and I'm basically pulling it through the hairband, then looping it through the hair to create the knot. I'll repeat this a few times so you guys can see what I'm doing, and then just pull it, and yeah. So I'll show you guys again with the black hair. So I'm going to go for this side. So I'm basically looping it through the hairband, then looping the hair through the hairband, and then pulling it to create that knot. So I'm basically just going to repeat this until I've got the volume that I want. So I'm just going to alternate between two colours and see what happens, because I've never done this before in my life, so I've no clue what I'm doing. No clue, but hopefully this turns out alright. I'm also basically alternating the length sort of, so it's more natural. So I'm basically, where I do the knot, I may position it so it's like that, and then wrap the hair around. Because my hair's layered as well, so I don't know about you, but my hair's not the same length all over my head. So I want to imply that that's my hair. So that's basically what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the finished ponytail, and I'll just need to separate the curls. Hi guys, this is Monica, and she's my firstborn lovely child. As you can see here, a bit sassy, has her own personality and all that, so this is how she looking. Can also wear her as a baby, some sort of bracelet looking thing. Okay, so hi guys. Basically, your girl's been a bit of a fool, to be frank. Like a bit dumb. I forgot to press the on button for my camera, so I filmed my edges. I filmed how I attached a ponytail. And I had a very lit jam session whilst I was waiting for the edges to dry. And look and behold, it was not recording the entire time. I'm dedicated to getting some sort of video on this ponytail out for you guys. Listen to me carefully. Oh, I didn't tell you because it was in my video that I didn't record, but basically I'm not playing any playlist. It's basically all my songs, whichever mood I'm in. So it's just gonna be a bit random, but I'm a random person, so do all of it. This song gets me hype. If you know Princess Nokia, then I applaud you. Shout out to Justine for even letting me know of her existence. Kentucky Fried Chicken and the Pizza Hut. 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 McDonald's, McDonald's. The feeling that I'm feeling now that I don't hear your voice right here, 'cause baby. Shout out to Tommy Love Island, Hannah Montana. I can almost see it. The dream I'm dreaming. See, that's what I mean. Look how good they are, and it wasn't filming. I'm so irritated with myself. Okay, so we're starting this again. You're gonna need your ponytail. This is Monica. You're gonna need some hairbands, clips, some clips, grips, whatever you call it, your clips. Just a few, not too many. You don't need that many. Some edge control if you want to do edges. I'm testing this one out. First off, I'm just going to take the ponytail and slide it up this of my actual hair. Basically I just banded my hair, and then because my hairband is a bit loose, I'm just going to wrap that around and pin it. So I'm just going to wrap it around like this and then just pin it in place with a grip. So I'm now going to take a piece of hair from the back. Once I've put the ponytail like this, I just twisted the ponytail around a bit. I'm just going to take a piece from the back, like that much, and then just flip my hair back so I can see my actual ponytail. So this is my ponytail. And then just gonna wrap the hair round like so. And this is the reason for this, is so when the wind blows, people still see the hair and not my hair, because yeah. So I'm just gonna tie this with a hairband to secure it in place. And then just going to get another hairband and tie it here, just to make sure it's all in place. So that's in, and then I'm going to tuck that behind my ponytail. And then I'm going to grab my hair, because it's still sitting quite low, and put it up like this. And then I'm just going to pin it with another bobby pin, bobby pin, so that it stays in place, because you don't want your ponytail to be moving like that. That's a bit, but yeah. So just gonna add another pin. Depending, you might need to use more than one pin, but okay. So that's now in place, but this is how it's looking so far. But now I just need to make it look more natural, so I'm going to grab some hair from this side actually, because I haven't used this side yet. I'll scrub a little bit. Oh, there's a bobby pin. Sorry. I feel like frizz is better because then it looks more natural. But I'm just going to take a piece and wrap it around the hairband so that people can't see the hairband and it looks more natural and real basically. And then I'm going to pin that in place as well so that doesn't come out. But that's basically it. That's the ponytail. I made it a bit long, but it's okay because I quite like it actually. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sorry it's a bit all over the place. It wasn't meant to be all over the place. I was meant to film all of this in one take, but life doesn't really work out that way sometimes when you want it to. So that's that. But remember to click the red button down below and I'll see you in the next video.
Da da da